Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into a lucrative side hustle that many entrepreneurs overlook, making money from scrap aluminum wires. Yes, you heard that right. Those old, seemingly useless wires can actually be a gold mine if you know what to do with them. You might be thinking, scrap aluminum wires? Really? How can something so mundane be profitable? But trust me, there's gold in those wires. Aluminum is a valuable metal, and recycling it not only helps the environment but also puts some extra cash in your pocket. First things first, let's talk about where to find these scrap aluminum wires. You might be surprised at how many places you can source them from. You can source them from old electronics, construction sites, or even that cluttered garage you've been meaning to clean out. Think about all those old gadgets and appliances you no longer use. They're a treasure trove of aluminum. The key is to gather as much as you can. The more you collect, the more you can sell, and the more money you can make. More wires, more money, simple as that. It's a numbers game, and the more you play, the better your chances of hitting the jackpot. Once you've got a decent pile, it's time to strip the insulation off. This is where the real work begins, but it's also where the value starts to show. Yes, this part can be a bit tedious, but it's essential. Stripping the wires reveals the pure aluminum inside, which is what buyers are really after. Grab a wire stripper, or if you want to speed things up, invest in a motorized wire stripping machine. These machines can save you a lot of time and effort. Trust me, the investment pays off. You'll be able to process more wires in less time, which means more money in your pocket. If you don't have one, a sharp knife and some patience can also do the trick. Just be careful. Safety first. Always wear gloves and eye protection to avoid any accidents. Next, collect the stripped aluminum wires and sort them based on their quality. This step is crucial because higher quality aluminum fetches a better price. Higher quality aluminum fetches a better price, so it's worth the extra effort to separate them. Take your time to ensure you're getting the most value out of your haul. You can use a magnet to check if you've got pure aluminum. Aluminum isn't magnetic, so if it sticks, it's not pure. This simple test can save you from selling lower quality material. Now comes the fun part, selling your aluminum. This is where all your hard work pays off. Look up local scrapyards or recycling centers in your area. These places are always on the lookout for quality scrap materials. Give them a call to check their current rates. Prices can fluctuate based on market demand. Knowing the current rates can help you decide the best time to sell. Some scrapyards even offer pickup services if you've got a large enough quantity. This can save you the hassle of transporting the materials yourself. I recommend shopping around a bit to get the best price. Different yards may offer different rates, so it pays to do a little research. For those of you thinking of scaling up, consider reaching out to local businesses or contractors who might have a steady supply of scrap aluminum wires. Building these relationships can be incredibly beneficial. Establishing a relationship can ensure a consistent flow of materials, and more scrap means more cash in your pocket. It's all about creating a reliable supply chain. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to turn old aluminum wires into cash. Making money from scrap aluminum wires is not just about recycling, it's a smart way to turn clutter into cash. It's a win-win situation for you and the environment. So next time you see those old wires lying around, remember, there's value in them. Don't let them go to waste. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Let's keep hustling and turning potential into profit. There's always an opportunity waiting to be discovered. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy scrapping.